Hello, and welcome to another video for learning EDUonGo. In this session, I will introduce progress tracking. Progress tracking was added to the EDUonGo system on the 25th of November 2013. It allows both the user and the teacher to see progress. Teachers can view the progress on a spreadsheet, indicating which portions of the course students have completed. Students see whether they've completed a module or an item directly on that page, and I'll show you. So first, let's navigate to a course. You can see actually that these two modules have been completed because of the green line. So let's go in there and see how that's done. This green line is done, but you see this button down here, it says mark as unread. That button can be either way. It's a toggle switch. So if I wanted to say, whoops, there's more I need to do on this, I'm going to undo this. I can click this. Now it says mark as read. And you get this red message here saying click on mark as read below. And no more green line. I can go to the next one, and I can also undo that here as well. So it's simple. You click mark as read when you're finished with the module, and when you do that, class progress, which we can't see as a learner, will show the spreadsheet of all your learners on the left, and on the top all the different activities, and you'll see a green indicator under each, beside each, on each row for a student to see which items, which parts of this course have been completed. It's the same in discussions, quizzes, and assignments. If you click on what puzzles you about the EDUonGo UI, you'll see this line here that says that you have not finished this. In so many words, you haven't finished this discussion. And you could just go ahead and mark it as done, whether you really are done or not. Of course, your teacher is going to be able to see that you've been active in that, what kind of posts you've made in there as well. So they can actually grade students on their performance even though they're marking this as read. Now when they mark this as read, three things actually happen. One, the line goes all the way across and you don't see this red indicator, and this turns green. That's the first thing, that the UI indicates that it's done. But also teachers see that it's marked complete in the class progress spreadsheet. And most important, the notifications that come to you reminding you to do this task stop. So that's one reason why you might come back and click, after clicking mark as read, you might come back and mark it as unread because you want to be reminded to get this task done. That's pretty much it. Notifications are simple as far as explaining it, but they're very powerful for learners because they get a text message to their cell phone letting them know there's something they need to do. For example, discussion, quizzes, and assignments, they're going to get that notification when these things are due within a week. So they won't get the notification if it's due next month or 3 months from now. Only when it's due, they'll get the notification within the week that it's due. And this completes our discussion of progress tracking. If you have questions, don't forget to use the comment feature in this section and ask the community or ask myself any questions you can think of. We'll answer those questions, or if I don't know the answer, I'll find the answer. And if I can't find it, one of your peers may actually answer it for me. So please ask. Thank you very much.